The Community Health Dashboard is an exciting new resource for our community. It contains within it over 100 health factors and indicators that influence health and quality of life in our community. I do envision that many of our community members and policymakers will access this site. The homepage has within it different categories. We have demographic data, we have health report data, priority issues, and we also have resources available that address health issues throughout our community. For instance, on the demographic tab, you can see information on the Fairfax Health District, which is Fairfax County, Falls Church, and the City of Fairfax, as well as all three of those jurisdictions in aggregate. The user of the dashboard can easily explore different health topics by entering that topic into the search bar. So if an individual is exploring obesity and they'd like to understand the social factors that may have an influence on obesity, they can bring that indicator into their report, such as transportation. If an individual is transit dependent, or if a household only has one vehicle, they may be apt to be more active in their daily life. So we can see that connection between obesity and transportation. Well, users navigating the site can find additional information and guidance by hovering over many of the icons available on the site, and a pop-up window will appear to describe what the different indicators or elements are that they're looking at. There is a resource tab across the top, and within that resource tab, the user will find a frequently asked questions section as well as a contact us section. The Community Health Dashboard is an exciting resource for our community because it's truly a one-stop shop of health indicators drawn from multiple different sources so individuals can learn more about health in their neighborhoods and their community.